Hi, my name is Alexander. We built the story mapping app for explorer.land for two use cases. First, to enable everyone to easily follow the latest project news. Second, to create geolocalized story posts with photos and to upload them to your project presentation on explorer.land. You can freely access and download the story mapping app in the Android Play Store. After installing and opening the app, everyone has access to all project news published on explorer.land. You can read the latest news posts and view the photo galleries. Further, you can subscribe to the news stream of selected projects. As a registered explorer.land user, you can further create your own geolocated news posts and publish them in your project presentation at explorer.land. This is how it works. Select the right project. Take a photo or upload it from your gallery. Write a text, set the date, record the geolocation, and save your post on your mobile phone. As soon as you have connection with the internet, you can upload your post to your explorer.land project presentation to publish it there. This is a simple way to capture insightful project stories and to share them with your followers. With the story mapping app, every project manager can contribute with exciting stories to more transparent and in-depth project communication.